We caught up with Tennessee State Representative Jeremy Faison. He represents District 11, which includes Cocke County. He updated us on how groups across the country and right here at home have been stepping up to lend a hand during this tough time.
The volunteer spirit has been amazing. I've had people from Coca-Cola to Home Depot to Elon Musk outfit bringing Starlinks in. I've been installing Starlinks yesterday and today. I'm amazed at how many people have rolled up their sleeves and come to work to help.
But the volunteer spirit doesn't stop there. Newport Utilities giving us more details about what Helene did to the community's water system. That includes, quote, major damage to the pumps that pull water from the French Broad River for treatment. Also, the utility says crews are repairing or replacing critical pieces of the wastewater treatment system. Newport Utilities sending out a reminder to everyone that as water service is restored, they are still going to need to conserve water and boil their water until the all clear is given. Another request from Newport Utilities, turn off the breaker to your hot water heater, and if you're using a generator, make sure the main breaker to the house is off. That's so utility crews don't get shocked as they make those repairs.